Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to install a Hitch receiver on a BMW X3 right here. It's about the same procedure from 2004 all the way until 2010. The only difference is 2 extra bolts on the bumper for the later models. Okay, those bolts right here that we have in the corner, you have 2 more right here. So we have the video on our channel how to remove the bumper. If you need to see the video, feel free to click on the link right here or just check it out on our channel. And now we're going to show you how to install the Hitch receiver. For this purpose, this is the crash bumper on the vehicle right here. We will need to remove that piece which is held by 4 nuts to the body of the car. And this crash bumper actually, it will be replaced by the Hitch receiver. So the Hitch receiver will play the role of the crash bumper and we will not need that piece anymore. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do, we need to remove those nuts, 2 on the right side with 18mm socket right there, one of them, and this is the bottom one. And we need to do the same procedure on the driver's side right here, 2 more, one there on the top and one on the bottom. Those tend to be really tight, so when we install the Hitch receiver you need to make sure they're tight up to spec. So okay, we remove the bottom one right there, the nut, and one more right here. And you just pull out the crash bumper right there and keep this one in a safe place. You will not need it now, but in case you want to remove the Hitch receiver, you will need it in the future, so you have a crash bumper. Okay, now that's the Hitch receiver that we got online, and it's made by Kurt. It's a class 3, really good quality Hitch receiver with the wiring and everything. It cost us $129 on eBay, free shipping. Can't beat that deal. And now you need to install the nuts again. It comes with new nuts if you need them, but we will be using the old ones because they're just fine. So you need to install all 4 and get them tight. Okay, now you need to use a torque wrench for that purpose and get the nuts tight too. Okay, those are the requirements right here, 79 pounds per foot. Okay, right there. So all 4, we need to get them to 79 pounds per foot. And stay with us to see what else we need to do next. Okay, this is the rear bumper out of a 2005 is this one. So we'll need to do some trimming. For 2004 and 2005 it's the same procedure, and 2006 up it's a little bit different. So this is figure A1 right there. So for 2004 and 2005 model we need to trim right there. So you need to go, okay, this is the bumper upside down, so you need to go right there on the side and you need to cut that piece right there. You have to be careful not to cause any damage to the bumper. That's the inner on the inside of the bumper, so it won't be noticeable. And now you need to go on the left side as well, right there. It's soft plastic. So now what we'll need to do next, you need to make sure that you get all the way to where you can. And now you need to go right there. Okay, we cut that piece. Okay, and now on this side, just careful not to cut the bumper, of course. You can use power tools, it will be convenient, but it's really soft and we just have this one on hand right now. Okay, right there. So as you can see now, it's not restricting the hitch. and we will be able to show out of there. Okay, now we just put the bumper so we can show you. Okay, right there, the hitch fits perfect. That's the piece that we cut right here because it was in the way of the hitch receiver. And that's how you install it on a BMW E83, which is the X3 model. Thank you guys for watching us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.